Once you have your domain name and web hosting provider ready to go and you are comfortable enough with the program you will use to create your web pages, you can begin to add products to your website. There are two main ways to do this, as was referenced in the JVZoo chapter: creating your own products and promoting other marketers' products as an affiliate. If you are creating your own products, then you need to not only create the product itself, but also relevant marketing materials to promote the products. This includes sales copy to convince people to purchase the product, blog posts to help promote the product on blogs, including your own and other websites, and graphics to help illustrate the product. Graphics are especially important because, even though you may be selling a digital ebook or software program, most people like to see a representation of the product they are going to purchase, much like they like to see a book or other item they purchase in a store or even online at Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, etc. Even though people will never physically touch the digital product you are offering them, they still want to see a representation of that product as if it is a physical item. This will also help to encourage them to purchase the product. Fortunately, there are many graphic templates you can use to help represent your products, including 2D and 3D ebook covers of various shapes and sizes that you can use on your site to represent your product, both as a link to take the visitor to the sales page and as a graphic to represent the product on the sales page itself. If you are selling a software program, there are 2D and 3D CD, DVD box graphics and software box graphics you can use to better illustrate the software program you are offering for sale. You may already have graphics you can use if you have purchased any private label rights, PLR ebook and/or software packages. You just download one or more of the graphics that you have from that package, resize the graphics if needed to fit your web page based on where you plan to place it on the page using a graphic editing program. Even a simple program like Paint will do, or you can use a more complex program like Photoshop if you wish, then paste the resized graphic in the appropriate location using the skills you learned using your web page creation program from the last chapter. If you don't have graphics from a PLR package, there are cheap PLR packages available from sites such as Fiverr.com, Master-Resale-Rights.com, and others. Use your favorite search engine and input PLR packages, and similar to find cheap PLR packages with graphics you can use for as little as $5. HubSpot even provides free ebook templates in return for some personal information here. https://offers.hubspot.com/ebook-templates. Alternatively, if you are artistically inclined and have some knowledge of a graphics software program, you could even create your own ebook graphics from scratch or via built-in templates within a program. There are several ebook cover making software programs available. Use your favorite search engine and look up ebook cover making software or similar to find them. Where you place the ebook or software box graphics is totally up to you, but you should probably place a smaller image of the ebook or software box graphic embedded with a link to the sales page on your home page, along with some text describing the offer. This way, visitors to your home page can see your offer and click on the image to be taken to the sales page. Then, when the visitors click on the image and head to your sales page, you can use a larger version of the same ebook or software box graphic image on the sales page to show what the visitor will be getting when she purchases your offer. If you are promoting offers of other marketers as an affiliate, it's likely they have already provided graphics of their ebook or software program for you to use to make it easier for you to promote their offer. After all, if they didn't make it easy for their affiliate to promote their offers, would many bother to do so? Not likely. Why every successful marketer with an affiliate program provides graphics to use in marketing campaigns. Thus, you just need to download the graphics, resize them as needed in your favorite graphics editing program, then place them where needed as described above. Many marketers use both methods of creating their own offers and promoting others' offers as an affiliate for multiple income streams without doing all of the hard work. Many who are starting out in the internet marketing world will promote other marketers' offers as an affiliate to provide immediate revenue while creating their own offers to provide even more revenue. Creating your own offers takes more work and time, but unlike many affiliate offers, you get to keep 100% of the profits you sell. Plus, you can create your own affiliate program and allow other marketers to promote your offers for a share of the profits. This, of course, will come later on after you have become more established in the industry for providing quality and having a good reputation, keys to success in virtually any business.